Hi, my name is Scott Siegelman from Transform Properties, LLC. I'm a member of the local Real Estate Investment Association here in the Philadelphia area. Dave Van Horn of PPR came to speak and got me interested in notes. I Googled education and found that there was one company that was offering free education. Well, I thought that was a pretty good price, so I decided to see what he had to offer. So I came over to Fix Notes and found that they were different from any company that I had ever encountered. Most video talks are long enough without saying anything for me to get bored and leave. To my surprise, from the very beginning, every webinar is jam-packed with real information. It's actually enough to provide a real foundation. And, to be honest, I find it difficult to attend the live webinars because I have to stop, take notes, and then continue from the recorded webinars so I don't miss anything. Rob Hytha, who started and runs Fix Notes, is not only extremely knowledgeable, he's honest. And that's not something I ever say lightly. I've been ripped off before by scammers, I'm not proud to say. But I've found, since I also buy notes from Rob and Fix Notes, that he always keeps his word. He'll also go out of his way to help and make suggestions, even if those suggestions help me in negotiations between us. And anyone who may possibly speak against his own interests is someone I will trust. That's an honest person. I was actually the first person to join his mastermind program when it first started. I also participate in adding value when I can to others. That's basically the spirit of this mastermind. You have bright people helping each other get ahead, with Rob leading the way. When he asked me to make this video, I actually felt kind of obliged to help. He's helped me move into a space where I believe I will advance and make a decent living for my family. It's already happening after a relatively short time. Now, don't think that this is easy. It requires real work and real preparation. But Fix Notes will provide you a good foundation and then more knowledge to keep advancing. It's a good team to be part of, so I encourage whoever is listening to check out Fix Notes. I believe you can only benefit.